So a lot of people ask, Ainsley, can you make money online in Trinidad and Tobago using YouTube? Can you monetize YouTube? So we're going to look at ways that you can make money online on YouTube in Trinidad and Tobago, and we're going to begin right now. Hey, my name is Ainsley Stewart and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time on, special welcome to you and to my regular subscribers as well. On this channel, we look at tips, tools, and strategies to grow and build a profitable business online. We look at making money online, look at entrepreneurship, along with a sprinkling of motivation here and there to keep your mindset right, to keep you in that headspace that can help you fulfill your purpose and create that legacy and that lifestyle that you and your family would love. So if that sounds like something that is your jam, that you could work with, that you want to hear more about, be sure to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can join the family and I can send a notification every time I upload a new video, which is pretty regular on this channel. So be sure to leave a comment below. I love to hear from my audience. Let me know what you got going on, what type of business you're building, and how I can help and maybe add value to what you have going on. So without further ado, we are gonna begin right now. Now the first and main reason, but maybe not the most profitable and maybe kind of the slowest way to make money, YouTube monetization. Now how this works, advertisers pay YouTube money to place advertisements into your video, right? So what you do, there are different types, which we could go into in another video. You have the in-stream videos where at certain points in the video, you see it pauses your video and basically starts an ad that maybe runs for a couple seconds. You can either click it off, skip it, or leave it, let it run. And YouTube pays you every time someone views this ad, you get money. So that is basically how it works. It doesn't cost you anything, you are just a content creator. YouTube pays you to place ads during or at the end or in front of your video, and that is one way to make money using YouTube. But, huge but, you have to reach 1,000 subscribers and at least 4,000 watch hours. Now, it's not impossible, but it can be pretty slow to make money in this method. And yeah, you got to be consistent. You have to be showing up every time and creating a lot of content. So it is maybe not the best, and there are ways that we're going to talk about in this video that you can actually make money even if you don't have a large subscriber base or you're now beginning. So that is YouTube monetization, or the YouTube partnership program. Now, way number two that you can monetize YouTube is through affiliate marketing. Now, those of you who follow me know that this is one of my favorite ways. It's a way that you can make money without having a huge subscriber base, just basically creating the content. Now, if you want to know more about affiliate marketing and about how it works and how to monetize it, be sure to check the description down below. I am actually giving away a checklist on how you can create affiliate marketing business in one weekend. I'm calling it the Weekend Affiliate Warrior Checklist, along with a cheat sheet. So you're gonna get all that information. I'm gonna also put a link in the description to a playlist where I did a 5-part free affiliate marketing course. I'm not sure how long I'm gonna keep that free. I'm considering actually packaging it and monetizing it. So be sure to check that out as soon as you can after this video though, because we still have a couple more ways to go. So affiliate marketing is basically where you're the middleman. They provide you with a link, and every time somebody purchases the owner's product using your link, you are compensated. It's a pretty simple business model, but it's very, very profitable. It can range from anywhere between 5% straight up to 75, sometimes 80%, depending on the product, etc. So that is highly profitable. So that is a way. So basically how you do it on YouTube, you can do review videos on the product, so that when someone searches, now YouTube is a search engine. In case you didn't know, YouTube and Google, they like that, and basically they're search engine. So Google is more text-based, etc. But YouTube is video based, so people search YouTube all the time. They want to learn how to break an egg or boil an egg. They want to know how to fix a car, repair AC, etc. There are how-to videos and instructional videos all over the place regarding stuff. So when people want to buy or they're interested in buying something, they may search YouTube for a review. So you do the review and you're consistent with it, eventually your review or your video is going to rank to the top. And when people are looking for reviews on that product and they see your video, somewhere in the video you'll leave a call to action mentioning that they can get access to the product from you by using the link down in the description. And when they watch the video, they like you, they know you, they trust you, and they look down in the description and they click on the link and they decide to buy from you, you are going to be compensated. So, and you don't need to have a large subscriber base to make money in that method. So that is definitely another profitable way that you can make money online using YouTube, even if you're in Trinidad and Tobago. So way number 3. So beside affiliate marketing, which is other people's stuff, you can create your own stuff. So you can look at this video, which I'll put in the cards above, on ways of making money online, where I mention that you can create products, you can create courses, etc., digital products, and you can actually sell your own stuff in the same way, basically leaving a link down in the description, right, and pointing people, doing a call to action during your video like I just did. I directed you all down to the description. Or you can also use the end cards or cards, the in-stream cards that come across the screen to the top here from time to time. You can use those to advertise your product, and that is another way that you can get the exposure to your product using YouTube. You don't really have to have a huge fan base, but you can share it, do the video on YouTube and share it out to your other social media, and that is a way that you can get some sales and make some money using YouTube, even if you're in Trinidad and Tobago. So here is the last way that you can make money online. Be sure to leave a comment below, be sure to subscribe for more videos like this if you like the value, right? So another way to make money, and this is kind of like long term, is you can use YouTube to grow your audience, right? YouTube really helps you to build a following, to build a tribe of people who like to see the content that you provide. And you don't need billions and millions of subscribers to make money using YouTube, but it can help you to get a few subscribers, a few loyal subscribers. There is a concept called 1,000 true followers. So basically the premise is that once you have 1,000 loyal people willing to buy everything that you have to offer, you can make 6 figures easy peasy on a regular basis, because everything you put out, because they are so loyal to you, because you have loyal fans, 1,000 true fans. Now, you don't even need 1,000 true fans to be profitable, but as I say, you can use YouTube as a base to hold and house. Now, I would not recommend that you leave them there, but there are ways that you can actually take your list off of YouTube and actually put it on an email list, which is going to be your list. So even if YouTube shuts down your channel and removes all your subscribers, there are ways that you can use, that you can build your own list, that you can still put them back on a new platform, or you can actually reach out to using email follow-up. And that is another way that even long term you can build a more sturdy business using YouTube. So be sure to watch this video next. I'm sure you're absolutely gonna enjoy it, and be sure to hit the subscription bell so that I can send out that notification to you personally. So until the next video,